everybody, Chancellor ma'am, Vice Chancellor sir, and everybody. Today I'm very glad, exciting and overwhelmed to be here. Today I got this opportunity to share few things with you people. Uh, Before I came here, believe me, I had no idea from where to study, what to study, and that's how I ruined my attempt. I was not able to crack even PT. After I came here, so I came to know from where to prepare your current affairs, from where to you need to study for GS. Here I came very supportive teachers and friends who were able to cooperate with me, and they told us how to study. Because believe me, I had no idea. After I studied from a very government school, and after that government college, and though I was good in study, but I got average marks in all my academic career. After that, I got scholarship to study abroad in USA. I studied there for more than 1 year. I came here, till that time I had no idea and what I want to do in my life. I started doing job, and because my family background was not so strong, so I had to support my family as well. So I was doing my job, then all of a sudden one thing struck in my mind, then I need to do something big. I went to USA, I did nothing. Again I'm doing the same job. What else? But I need to do something. Then I'm ardent reader of newspaper. I like reading newspapers so much. So one time I was reading newspaper, then I read an article of an IAS officer. How can he make a difference in the society? From there, I started preparing. I ruined my PT, I was not able to crack it. Then I read in newspaper about RCA, and I filled the form, I cracked it that also. And believe me, if you are in RCA in Jamia, you all have potential, because this is not an easy entrance exam. So I came here, I made friends, I got very supportive, helpful teachers who helped me how to study, and I started preparing, and I chose my optional here only in January, and for 3 months I prepared my public administration optional because I like reading newspaper, and therefore my aspects was very dynamic, how to prepare things. So somehow I prepared, and I got 692 rank. I have landed in IFS officer. I have become an IFS officer. So RCA provided me great opportunity. Believe me, many a times I did not have money to buy books. Here I used to tell sir, can I get this book? He used to say, why not? So library provided me so many books, 24/7 access to the library, very cooperative teachers. Anytime you can access to them. They are very helpful. So first of all, if you are aspiring to be an IAS officer, you need to work hard. Everybody knows it. See, everybody knows that you need to work hard, perseverance, confidence, positive attitude. Everybody knows it. But it's not about that only. It's about how you do that. So everybody do same thing, but what we need to do things differently. Smart study. Everybody, you can study for more than 20 years. There's no use of it. Just do smart study. You don't need to be research for it. Just smartly you have to. You won't believe I didn't study much actually. So thank you so much, sir, for helping me in my interview preparation. Bhattacharya sir and everybody, you all encouraged me a lot while I was preparing. I used to get discouraged many times because I used to like, this is my first mates, how I will do. But I somehow made into IFS, and today I am very glad. RCA provided me a lot of opportunities and benefits, and safe and secure environment for women especially. So this is great platform. You come here, you learn a lot. If you sincerely prepare for this service, you can easily crack it.